Alright, welcome back to the channel. And look what I just picked up. I went to a yard sale. This was sitting out at the end of the driveway, had a free sign on it. So, of course I grabbed it, threw it in the truck. The lady that was at the yard sale, she didn't know anything about it. She said her husband set it out there and then he took off and went fishing. So she doesn't know if it works or not. It kind of looks pretty clean, but of course being out there free, I'm sure it don't run. Anyway, let's see. Now there's some gas in there. There's the oil. If I can reach it. Yeah, that's full of oil. I wonder if it turns over. Yeah, it turns over. Feels like it's got compression. So, let me wheel it over here, hook the garden hose up to it, and we'll see what happens. Well, it works, but it don't seem to be putting out a whole lot of pressure. It cleaned off some of the stuff. I know this here is a unloader valve. It might need to be adjusted some. But anyway, cool. At least it works. Nothing else, I got a good running motor. Alright, let me do some more checking and see what I figure out with it. Alright, I did some adjusting on the unloader valve. I screwed it in to tighten it up, and now it's got some pretty decent pressure. See, it cleaned off some of the moss from the railing. I didn't film it because I was getting the camera all wet, and the camera is not waterproof. But anyway, cool, that's all it needed. I've now got me a little Black Max 3100 pressure washer for free. Alright, well, this is going to be a fast little video. I guess thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. There's a smoky haze in the air, giving the moon a weird glow.